Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make baked scone. Okay, for baked scone I need a flour, 900 gram flour. Here I have 300 ml milk and sugar 240, 2 eggs, 240 gram butter and 60 gram baking powder. This for 5 ingredients need for baked scones. Okay. And baking powder. You can take bowl, a mixing bowl, you can add there. Okay, then nicely mix it. After mixing, you make a hole. Put 2 eggs. Sugar and milk together need to whisk. Okay, sugar need to melt it, otherwise sugar can stay in a dough. Okay, first this is the easy process to make our baked scones. Okay, you can make a home this in your hand. No need a mixer machine. I'll show you how to make in hand. I can show my dough machine also have, dough kneader also have. Okay, no need. For home you can make a hand. Okay, sugar need to mix nicely. Milk and sugar. After sugar mixing, you can put slowly just and mix up the whole hand like this. The all dough mixing, you can add now butter. Okay. This you can make easily in your home. Nicely you can see already dough ready. This one no need to too much kneading. This dough is baked scone dough. No need too much kneading. Just clean your area. Our dough ready. Okay, just mixing the butter nicely. Okay, this need to flour dust down also. Take a rolling pin. This is the cutter, you can cut nicely. However, you can take size your way, but need this much thickness. Okay. This need to preheat the oven 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, 13 to 14 minutes need to bake. 13 to see, all are same size, same thickness. Need for cookies. You can make, when you make bake scone, you make little bit height, otherwise it's not coming nice shape. Okay. See, leftover dough, you can make another sheet also. You can make on your hand also. If you like my recipe, you can subscribe my channel for next video. You can saw my update video, your notification, you can get my next update video. Okay, you saw my cookies all are same equal size, equal shape. You can make nicely in your home also. Same cutter, you can use anything cutter however you want. Okay, easy process to make baked scone. Okay, you can make your home and eat. You can tea, evening tea, morning tea also you can eat. This one very nice for taste also. Okay, thank you. This video, if you like this video, you subscribe my channel and will click the like button and share. Need to bake for 160 degrees Celsius for 12 to 13 minutes. You can saw the temperature 160. I bake already 1 minute left. You saw baked scone is coming very nice. I can show you one time. Okay, check. This is baked scone. This one I first add 12 minutes. I can put 1 minute more. Okay. 1 minute need a little bit color, then I can take out. You can make one piece, two one. Guys, if you like my video, you subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay, thank you for today.